Well, here we are on Cowiche Uplands, which is a little recreation area, I guess little west of Yakima, just on the edge of town. That's the valley that we were just looking at down there. Pretty neat area, a lot of trails, which we're gonna ride a couple today. And thought we'd just do a little tour. That's Clemens Mountain there. Kind of rises up above the little town of Natchez, which is at the base down there. There you can just see the top of Mount Rainier. And that hill that's in front of it is Rocky Top, which is where I filmed that Green Harvester mountain bike video in the spring. And then if I can carefully move over, yeah, there is, well, Mount Adams is in there somewhere. Yeah, you can just barely make it out right there. So that's that. A lot of bike trails and walking. If your dog's not too crazy, you can bring him out here and let him run around off leash. Cowiche Creek is in that canyon down there. There's a nice old railroad bed that they've turned into a trail. It's just gravel. So yeah, we're gonna ride this trail. I'm gonna slap on the GoPro, and so we're gonna ride this trail and another one, which I just call it kind of like the Gulch Trail, Gully Trail. We'll check in again before we start down it. It's one of my favorite trails out here. All right, well, let's get to it. Oh, naughty, naughty. Somebody was up here on a dirt bike. I think this might be, I think this is it. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. Pretty simple video this time, due to technological constraints. I wasn't able to get a whole lot of different shots, but hopefully you enjoyed that. And